What's going on, traders? This is Mike with Tactical Traders, doing some end of the day scans on January the 15th, 2021. And right now I'm looking at ticker symbol Bngo. And this is the 1 hour 20-day chart. And we are very familiar with this ticker. We've had plenty of trades on this one, alerted our members many times. So right now the chart is looking pretty messy, but we are going to clean this up in just a second. But I just wanted to go over the chart, basically looking at some areas of interest and see if there's any profitable trade plans that can come up. But before we go into that, I just wanted to show you, this was today at 8:23 a.m. We were just going over, highlighting some things for our members, and I believe it was right here. Yep, this is it, Bngo. This was the pre-market action. We basically highlighted an ascending triangle for our members. Looking to get in the break at 8 for the first price target of 870, the first price target. And on that one personally, we had this trade right here, so I scalped a nice 300 out of that. It was a pretty good day, nice profitable trade. And in the past, we've actually, looking back now into the past, it's been a bunch of trades on this. We traded this ascending triangle down here. I think this was on a smaller time frame, more of an intraday. As you can see on this, we were looking for that pullback to the support areas for a bounce. We got that. But, yeah, and then obviously today's action. But let's just clean this up for a second, just so it's not very overwhelming. And we'll actually go down into a smaller time frame. Let's see how the 15 minutes looking. All right, so 15 minutes looking pretty good. So one really interesting area about the chart right now, and now we're on the 5-day, 15-minute, is we did have this highlighted during the pre-market, like I said. But this right here, there's this old resistance line right around the $8 mark. Now, many times when the resistance is broken to the upside, the price will back test it, and if it is back tested as support, it's an excellent sign. So yes, the price did momentarily get a little bit below that, but the 50 SMA was there also acting as support, and it looks like the price is bouncing off that pretty nicely. However, you're going to trade this and you're not into this trade yet, I would recommend looking for a confirmation buyout. So we're going to be looking for more of a short-term day trade kind of style on this. So if you're looking to get into this right now, I would say we have a nice descending triangle forming right here. And as you can see, the price is now breaking above that, out of that pattern with an increased amount of volume at the exact same time. So a pretty interesting setup here. Even though right now we're at the 842, I do recommend not entering this trade unless you're already in it at the $9 mark right here. So you can see that, yes, the price did get this above this twice, but it was on a thin wick, meaning it was thinly traded. And most of these, thick body candles right here got stopped right at the 9. So if you're not in this trade yet, I would recommend to look for a confirmation breakout past 9 and with a first price target of 945. And when I say first price target, I mean 20%, 30%, or maybe half of your position size, or all of it if you'd like to do that more of as a total day trade. If you're looking to buy this more as a swing, I do recommend looking for support to be again tested on Monday and maybe look for even a deeper pullback. Not saying that we would absolutely get it. However, with this type of movement now, I would just like to see a little bit more consolidation or a nice pullback. But overall, this is a very bullish chart. You can tell by the 50 SMA here, the 200 SMA here, and on the daily chart, which I haven't looked at yet, you can tell that this has been making some very impressive moves. And that, again, is kind of why I'd prefer a little bit more of a pullback. Not saying we're going to get it. We could always do trade that breakout of 9. But it's something just to, stay cautious of, because we've been tracking this for quite a while. But anyways, a lot of money has been made here over the last couple of days. Very interesting ticker. We're going to be looking for that descending triangle right here to break up past 9, even though it is breaking the trend right here. And once that break of 9 happens, we're going to want to make a quick trade of this. Also, just another little side note. So these descending triangles, these triangles patterns are a continuation pattern, meaning they're going to be continuing the overall trend. But now that we're looking at a 5-minute, 15-minute, remember that is a shorter trend, and the 50 SMA now is starting to curl down a little bit. So when you usually see these with these triangle patterns, it's very common to see them break up to that resistance and then be rejected down below the bottom of the triangle. So this one, do use some caution. It does move very fast. Be very quick if you're trading the breakout of 9. Lock in some profits, and have some stop losses in place. But if you are looking to buy this as a speculative swing trade, you can absolutely scale in, but look for that pullback. All right, traders. Well, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit that like button or subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. You can get in our live 24/7 chat room if you go to tacticaltraders.com. All right, well, thank you for watching, traders, and until next time, stay profitable.